Hello everyone. So this reading is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. So Aquarius is your love reading for August 2026. But if you happen to watch this, let's say from August to October, no, or actually anytime naman, as long as the message resonates, then uh, take it, Aquarius. This is for you. I will not be reading any reversals, Aquarius, and I will also not be reading the cards no, that will pop out. This is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. So I'm gonna pull three cards muna, Aquarius, and then later on, mag-a-ask na lang tayo ng mga clarification no, or clarificatory questions. Alright. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. So you got the uh, Six of Wands, got the Strength card, you got the Judgment. So, by the way, Aquarius, I try to read this column as the past, this one naman is the present energy, and this last column will be your present, or sorry, your near future no, energy. So, wala namang set in stone. Hindi ko naman masasabi kung ano yung magiging future nyo, Aquarius. And of course, this is a general reading. Just take the message no, that resonates with your situation. So, in the past, Aquarius, you could have experienced success with the Six of Wands. No? Maybe you feel like you are with someone na very attractive. They could be very attractive. They could be, say, very successful in life. And parang yung energy na meron sila na-adapt mo rin. No? If you are partnered with someone successful, then you too, di ba, will feel successful. But let's clarify that with the Six of Wands, the lovers. So, yun nga, you feel like you have chosen someone that is really successful, or you've chosen the right one, parang ganon, Aquarius. Kasi with the lovers, this signifies choice, being made, and actually, in this reading, parang ang nasa-sense ko sa kanya is partnership. Partnership. Successful partnership. Let's clarify. Let's clarify the lovers. With the lovers, you got the Three of Wands. Three of Wands, you're maybe trying to uh, expand, no, with this person. You're planning. Kasi ang after ng Three of Wands is the Four of Wands. Yung Four of Wands, sinisignify naman nun is yung stability. Ibig sabihin na tayo mo na, no, yung foundation. Establish mo na. And with the Three of Wands, you're still on that planning stage in the past. Now, what happened? What happened? Mas maganda rin siguro na makita natin, no, para alam natin yung buong context nung past mo. If this message is for you. Oops. Ang daming cards na nagpop-up. Alright. With the Three of Wands, you got the Chariot. Chariot is actually he's leaving everything behind. No? And you also got the Lovers here kasi. So, Lover, sabi ko nga kanina, this signifies a choice. And with the chariot, parang ito yung energy or yung situation na hindi mo alam kung saan ka papunta, no? And you could be the charioteer here, no? Ikaw yung may control nung chariot, but then you are parang in a very confusing situation, no? Hindi mo alam kung pupunta ka ba sa left or sa right. Alright? So, ganun yung sa sense ko. So, you've been planning, you've been with someone successful, you could have been with someone successful. Or maybe, you are still with them. Diba? This row, parang nafe-feel ko, all about choices. Choices, decisions. No? You could also be the type of person na willing to go beyond, 'di ba, necessary. Na parang you're willing to leave everything behind for your person, for your partner. Now let's clarify the strength. This is in your present energy. So meaning you're being strong right now. Now I do not know what happened, kung bakit naging necessary yung strength mo, no? Na pinapakita ngayon. But let's see. Let's clarify the strength card. Let's clarify the strength. Strength. With the strength card, you got the 4 of Wands. Wow. So, sabi ko nga dito, you got the 3 of Wands here, going to the 4 of Wands. Yung planning mo, maybe it could have worked in the past, and that's why you're uh, reaping the fruits, no, of your labor. Of course, in the context of relationship, kasi this is your love reading, uh, Aquarius, no? And this could have required a lot of strength, no? Hindi madaling mag-establish ng isang magandang relationship. You could have really worked for it. You have tried to make the right decisions. Let's clarify the 4 of Wands. With the 4 of Wands, you got the Knight of Wands. Very passionate. This could be you or the other person. Napaka-passionate mo. I wanted to see what card, no, will pop dito sa tabi ng Knight of Wands. Kung anong card yung makukuha natin. Kasi this card is moving towards the Three of Wands. But sabi ko nga kanina, we'll try to read this column as the past, no? Let's clarify the Knight of Wands. Knight of Wands, please. With the Knight of Wands, you got the Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands. Alright, you could be burdened or pwedeng meron ka lang mga responsibilities ngayon. Just make sure, sorry, not Gemini, sorry, Aquarius, just make sure na itong mga burden mo ngayon ay sa'yo talaga. No? Na you're not taking the burden of other people. Because I don't think that this relationship is a burden to you. Imagine you got a 4 of Wands. So, it's a card of stability. Now, let's clarify the Judgment. Judgment just means, you know, parang merong fated na significant event, no? Na pwedeng nangyari na, although sabi nga natin ito ay sa near future. So, this could happen. Oh, wow. Another major arcana, you got the Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is really something fated. Something fated is about to happen. Now, we don't know this yet, Aquarius. Hindi naman to necessarily masama, no? This could be a really good thing kasi Wheel of Fortune is a good card. You may be wanting to change something also, Aquarius. Maybe this one. Kasi ang gaganda ng mga cards mo. They are all positive, mga golden cards. Let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune. With the Wheel of Fortune, you got the Eight of Cups. Ang Eight of Cups kasi is not settling for less. No? Ayun yung meaning ng card. Kasi itong mga cups dito, these cups have provided this man, no, something na satisfying for him. Now, he's leaving these cups kasi he wanted something more. No? He wanted something more. Aquarius, just reflect. No? Try to reflect. Meron bang kulang sa relationship? Maybe there's something na gusto mong iwan. And hindi ka, parang may something missing sa relationship. That's why you're trying to walk away from it. Well, not necessarily, no? Naaalis ka talaga. But, you know, just for this reading, parang ang nafe-feel ko, yung wala ka ng energy, wala ka ng motivation to, let's say, to be passionate, no? Kasi if you look at this card, no, yung Knight of Wands is a card of passion, fast movement, no? Knight of Wands is a fast moving card. He's a fast moving knight. Very passionate nga siya. But it's parang it's moving toward the planning stage. It's moving towards the Three of Wands. No? Pero I don't think I don't think na gusto mong iwan tong relationship. It's just that you don't want to settle for less. Pero something fated is about to happen. Not trying to predict anything. No, just take this how it resonates. Balikan mo na lang tong reading na to if something really happened. I don't think that this is necessarily bad. But this could be you walking away from a connection that is fated. Okay, if you're in a good relationship, Aquarius, ikaw naman yung makakapagsabi nun, please don't leave your relationship if meron lang mga minor na say inconvenience or may mga bagay lang na hindi masyadong mapagkasunduan, no? Medyo may lacking lang sa relationship na you think you can still salvage the relationship ultimately, do not leave, Aquarius. Pero that's on you, of course. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups. With the Eight of Cups, you got the Hanged Man. So, sabi ko, I will not be reading any reversals. But you got the Hanged Man. So, you're trying to find another perspective, no, in the situation. Kasi look at the Hanged Man. Nakabaligtad siya. 'Cause, gusto niyang makakita nga ng ibang perspective, for him to be enlightened in the situation, oh. So, I'm trying to understand the Eight of Cups. Minsan, Aquarius, merong mga relationship na parang sobrang stable na nila na medyo nabo-bore na tayo, 'no? Not saying na, everybody including you wants a toxic relationship, 'no, na merong challenge, but, this could be you moving towards something na gusto mo merong progress. Kasi sabi ko nga, Eight of Cups is not settling for less. So look at this man here. No, he's moving away from this cups and saan ba siya papunta? Towards the mountain, no? If you can take a look at it closely, papunta siya sa mga bundok, no? Well, this is just my subjective interpretation of the symbol, no? So that's what I could sense. Parang gusto mo ng challenge, gusto mo may progress yung relationship. You're trying to find another perspective if walking away in that kind of relationship is a good move. Parang ganon. I wanted to clarify the overall outcome. The overall outcome of this situation. Although napakaganda ng mga cards mo, Aquarius. Ito lang, yung Ten of Wands, not saying na it's a bad card, no? But it's a card of carrying burdens. Although 10 kasi medyo, 10s or endings, no? So, ibig sabihin, you are about to put down your burdens. But I wanted to clarify, I wanted to know the overall outcome of this situation. Aquarius. Alright, you got the Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is actually it's a card of being resilient, being strong, no? You got the Strength card here, then you got the Nine of Wands, so you're resilient, or at least that's what the card, no, is encouraging you to do or to embody, no, yung resiliency. Kasi Nine of Wands, kung hindi mo pa pinuput down yung burden mo, you're about to. Kasi Nine of Wands, kung to the Ten of Wands, if you are sort of in a battle, no, you're about to end that, or it's about to end. It's about to end, Aquarius. Now, of course, this is a general reading. Iba-iba kayo ng situation, Aquarius. So, take this how it resonates. And, kung ikaw man to, Aquarius, you just have to be strong. You have to be resilient. I want to pull another card. I just feel like pulling another card. One last card for the overall outcome. Alright, you got the Knight of Swords, Aquarius. Aquarius, you will be moving fast towards someone or something. You could be moving towards the resolution of this entire situation that we have right here. So, kung meron kang merong problema sa relationship, may hindi na-address, may kulang, no? I could really see you being parang sobrang decisive na ito na yung gagawin ko na action and I will move towards it, no? However, Aquarius, if you're planning something na uh, medyo hindi mo pa napag-iisipan, I would suggest kumuha ka ng ibang perspective. Kasi ang Knight of Swords parang kung makikita mo parang yung energy niya pasugod siya, 'di ba? And of course sa swords kasi signify ideas, thoughts, no? Pero since yung Knight of Swords mabilis yung movement niya, pwedeng hindi na siya masyadong nakakapag-isip. Sumugod na lang siya. And the Hanged Man is asking you to uh, find another perspective on the problem, no? Baka yung solution mo na naiisip, yung action mo na naiisip is not automatically right. Minsan we have to just, take some time off. Hayaan nating mag-play out yung kung ano man dapat mangyari, no, sa situation. Hayaan lang natin. Minsan, the best thing to do, no, is nothing. Hayaan mo muna. Pagpahingahin mo muna. Now, I'm not telling you what to do, Aquarius, but uh, it's just my subjective interpretation of the cards, no, and also ayun yung message na parang gusto kong ibigay sa'yo today, Aquarius. Okay? Now, I'll be to close this reading. I'll be pulling one card from this spirit animal oracle. So I've meditated on this earlier prior to this reading. Aquarius, and you got the dog spirit. Be loyal to what you love. Now, this card has a separate message. No, let me just find it. Aquarius. And I'll be reading it. Dog spirit, be loyal to what you love. Dog spirit appears to remind you that although change is a part of life and all of us are meant to evolve, our love and commitments remain strong. You are loved now and can trust that this higher love is true. Spirit loves you, and love has arrived in many forms now, manifesting in the people you surround yourself with, expressed uniquely through them. Dog Spirit also says, be true to that which you love, for now is a time of good fortune. Be steady as you recognize that people and things are always transforming. Your heart is loving and true, and Dog Spirit wants you to know that your steadfast commitment to expressing love will attract and manifest more love. You deserve all of it. Have faith in Spirit's plan for you. The protection message of this card, loyalty to people and situations, can turn into attachment that results in stagnation, enmeshment, and loss of integrity. Do you fear what will happen if you let a relationship evolve? Are you afraid that asking for a situation to change will make others see you as disloyal? Trust that when dog spirit appears, you are meant to accept the turning of the wheel of life and the changing of fortunes. If you feel you are being betrayed or are growing apart from someone, let dog spirit reconnect with you, with your commitment to love in all forms. Perhaps a relationship is meant to evolve. Perhaps you are not meant to evolve too. Or sorry, you are meant to evolve too, so that you can experience the growth for which your soul yearns. Your greatest loyalty is to love, so be open to all its many guises, including self-love. You deserve the best, and that is what spirit wants for you. That's it, Aquarius. That's all I got for you. And thank you so much again for watching this reading. If this resonates with you, please like and leave a comment. That would really help me know a lot since I'm just starting this channel. And thank you so much again, Aquarius. See you on the next reading.